1. Display of wooden panels. 2. Installing long-handed screws. Install all panels one by one with long-handed screws. Do not apply